Hey, how's it going, guys? It's been a while since we have posted on the YouTube. I've done a lot of traveling over the last couple months, and so has Algovision Dev. However, I just want to do a update on the CRT copy trading. So, copy trading, the bot is currently up 98% on the year, so about 100% since we started copy trading back in the end of December, early January. So, still up 100% on the year, which is really good. It hit about 150% ROI, and then we dropped off a little bit. We had a humongous winner back in April, 3 months ago. The win rate is sitting, it's lower than I would have wanted. Like, so this is the first year that we're running all of this data live, but the win rate is lower than I first would really like to see it. So we started modifying some of the bots. We're getting them finished up. Um, we started modifying some of the bots to increase the win rate, so we're winning more trades than losing. Even though the RR is high enough where it's still profitable, the win rate is kind of low, so it's not what I wanted to see, unfortunately. However, we will be updating all the bots and they will have higher win rates, so that should increase over time. But all in all, I mean, we've taken 163 trades, winning trades 78 of them, so 48% win rate. ROI is 98% on the year. We had a little bit of drawdown back in March, was the highest drawdown that we've had. And March is one of like the worst performing months for the S&P, and also I believe Bitcoin is one of the worser performing months. I don't know if it's the worst. However, for the stock market, March is the worst month performing. So maybe we'll filter that out next time and not like trade March, depending on how the bot does again next year with it. So we'll see, but that is the ROI currently. What was the last trade we took? I don't know if I can see it here. I think we took a trade on XRP the other day and won. But yeah, it hasn't traded as much. We had an issue with the API for Blofin, but we fixed it. So we didn't realize why the bots weren't trading. We thought it was TradingView, so we contacted TradingView, and they were kind of slow about getting back to us about it. So about 2 or 3 weeks, we were waiting to try to figure out what the problem was, but it was an API problem with Blofin. But it's all fixed now, so all the bots will be trading. And again, we will be fixing some of the bots to increase the win rates on them. But all in all, we still have 52 copiers, and we're still running copy trading. So um, looks like we had a signal on Bitcoin the other day. This one was a loss. This short was a nice one. This short was very nice. That's about like 5R, I think. I want to say. Yeah, it's a 10R trade on Bitcoin the other day. Um, so yeah, um, that's about it. That's all I wanted to go over. We'll do some trade reviews again soon. Once I get all the bots fixed up, we could start doing some trade reviews again. Because I think those are like the best way to kind of describe the copy trading is the trade reviews. So we'll get back to that. I'm not traveling as much anymore. I was, but however, me and the Algovision dev, are not as traveling as much anymore. Not till next year. We're gonna go to the conference again, so maybe we'll meet some of you guys at the conference. But yeah, so we'll update all these bots and keep you updated on how the copy trading is going.